The requirements of customers are very diverse. This means that each of our solutions is also customer-specific, but based on standardized system components that we use. I think the most important thing for the customer and for us is that the product is packaged safely, packaged in a process-safe manner. And then there are things that need to be considered, such as space requirements. And, of course, it's also about being future-proof. And due to the high level of standardization, we have the opportunity to reduce costs, offer fast delivery times, and provide the customer with uniform maintenance.